Hi, my name's Roman Maslennikov, and I run a PR agency here in Moscow, Russia. I'm on the lookout for partners from your country who are on the same wavelength as me, who know how to make a sensation, who are upbeat and upfront, who are cool with positive provocations. It's what I call explosion PR. We've been in the business for over 10 years with a team of 55 creatives. Over the last 3 months, we've achieved hundreds of publications in Russian national and global media titles on behalf of our clients. From the worlds of medicine, cryptocurrencies, kids shows, personal PR experts, cars, and many more. We've achieved all those publications out of a zero media budget, meaning it was all done purely on creativity. If anyone wants to know how we do that, I can send you a copy of my own book in English. If you think perhaps we could click and we run a test PR project, if you're another fan of the movie Wag the Dog, or books like Seth Godin's American Hero or Purple Cow, if you love the series Absolute Power, or if you like Christopher Buckley books like Little Green Men or Thank You for Smoking, or perhaps Ryan Holiday, or even if you've maybe read the cult Russian book The Ears Wave the Donkey, then it means yes, we're on the same wavelength. Let's start putting more good news out into the world.